Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn on reminders, notifications on WhatsApp. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to stay on top of your important messages and never miss a beat. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to enable this handy feature. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Give it a tap and you're in. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 little dots stacked vertically. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. What we're looking for is Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Tap on Settings, and you'll be taken to a new screen with various WhatsApp options. Now, scroll down until you see Notifications. It's usually about halfway down the list, with a little bell icon next to it. Tap on Notifications to enter the notification settings. Here's where the magic happens. In the notification settings, you'll see a bunch of different options for customizing your WhatsApp alerts. What we're interested in is the Reminders toggle. It should be right there, waiting for you to turn it on. Simply tap the toggle switch next to Reminders to turn it on. You'll know it's activated when the switch turns blue or green, depending on your phone model. And just like that, you've successfully turned on Reminders notifications for WhatsApp. Now, you'll receive gentle nudges about important messages you might have missed or conversations you wanted to follow up on. This feature is super helpful for keeping track of those "I'll reply later" moments or making sure you don't forget about important plans made in group chats. WhatsApp will now give you a friendly reminder, so you can stay connected without constantly checking your phone. Remember, you can always come back to the Settings menu to turn the feature off or adjust other notification preferences. WhatsApp is all about giving you control over your messaging experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized WhatsApp experience.